In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool on and off effect in Canva. We're starting from a blank canvas. Now, first we want to change the color background. Go to the color wheel, choose Add New Color, and we're going to drag it down slightly so we get a slight gray tint of background. So I'm going for E0, E0, E0 color code. Next, we're going to hit the elements. In the search bar, type cup of black coffee and select one from the photos section. I think this one will be perfect for our example. It needs to have a shadow to give it depth and stand out from the background. Go to Edit and click Shadow. Select Drop and increase the blur amount. Decrease the distance. Go to Elements and scroll down to Shapes. Click on the rounded rectangle shape, this one. Let's change the color to something white so it's lighter than the background, right, like this. I think this looks quite good, and I'm going to place it in the center. Just looks like a regular shape on the background, so I want to create some depth in it. That's why I go for Elements tab again. And type in Inner Shadow. Go to Graphic section, and this gives us some options. And now, if we scroll down, we can see this half-rounded rectangle. It's not ideal, but let's use it. So I'm going to rotate it and scale it down. You can use the slider to zoom in or out, or hold down the control button and scroll the mouse to zoom in or out. I scale it down until it meets the size of, or at least the curve, that part. But now we can see this part, so I'm going to crop this, right like this. And then create a copy or Control-C, Control-V. Go to Flip and flip vertically. You can match it on the other side, and let's also match that crop mark. There we go. This way we have an inner shadow that we've created and gives some extra depth to the slide. I'm going to place the coffee cup on top, so go to Position and click Forward. Rotate it about -40 degrees and scale it down, and place it and position it on the left side of that slider. And scale down the slider. Now let's add some text element. Go to Text, Add Heading. And here we want to type on. Increase it in size. Make it copy and put it on the right side. And we type off. Now we need to duplicate the page. To duplicate, you can press Ctrl-D or click on this section and get a duplicate. What I'm going to do is I'm to copy the coffee cup, place it on top, and rotate it 40 degrees. Slide it to the right, and I'll delete the right side. I will reduce the duration by 2 seconds. If you liked the tutorial so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell so you don't miss the next tutorials. Okay, now on the first page, select the word off and reduce the transparency to 25. On the second page, reduce the transparency of the word on to 25. Remember that all pages must be 2 seconds long. By holding Shift and clicking on page 2, I selected both pages, and now I press Ctrl and D, and it duplicates. All pages should be the same duration. And now we'll give it a match and move transition. And if you scroll down, There's an Apply Between All Pages option, which if you click on will apply the transition between all layers. That's what I've just applied. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.